This is a wee tutorial on setting up a YouTube account. If you have a Gmail address, you automatically have a YouTube account just by virtue of having the Gmail address. So you go to youtube.com, and in the olden days you used to be able to set up a YouTube account and immediately customize the channel name with your business name or whatever you wanted to name it, and they stopped that probably 5 or 6 years or so ago. Actually, I think it was probably longer ago than that. So you go to youtube.com and you click on sign in, and because Google owns YouTube, you will use your Gmail address, whichever one you want to use. Okay, so once you've logged in, if you click on your little avatar, your initials, or whatever YouTube shows in the upper right corner, you can click on My Channel. Here's all sorts of things you can do. So click on My Channel, and you can customize your channel. If you want to set this up for your business, Google really likes if you decorate the place to make it look like you're going to move in and stay and make use of the channel. So you can click on Customize. You can Google the information about decorating your channel, finding out the correct dimensions, etc. And if you need help, let me know. And add an image, and whatever you put here goes also to your Google Plus page, so that's connected to your YouTube channel. And you can check here for any notifications that Google or YouTube is going to send to you, and you can click on the little gear for settings and read all the information here, and you can go through all of these settings. And if you have videos that you want to upload, just click on this little camera icon here and select upload a video. If you click on upload a video, you can just drag and drop your videos here and they will upload. Actually, let me do upload one. Okay, once the video is uploaded, you can select the thumbnail that you want to use. You can add any information here you wish. You can add a transcript or any document that relates to your project. And then you click on Publish. You could add it to a playlist if you want. You can add more videos. And then this is the URL that you'll use to share. And if you want to edit some more, you can click on Return to Editing. You can make it public, unlisted, private. Okay, so that's kind of the basics of your channel. And if you click on the little avatar or icon, you can go to Creator Studio or to Settings. So Creator Studio. So make sure your changes are saved. Click on Creator Studio, and here you can find out details about your videos. You can customize your dashboard. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about what you do with your YouTube channel, but that's how you create one. With a brand new channel, you have some serious limitations on what you can and can't do. You also have a limitation on the length of video that you can upload. So one thing you could do is verify your email address, whether it's Gmail or another, and text you with a verification code. That's my Google Voice number, so it allowed me to use Google Voice number for my verification number. So my account is now verified. You can go through and check these things and see whether or not you can do these. You read and agree that I will not click on Google Ads. Okay, I will not opt in. I accept. If you already have an AdSense account, do not click here to sign up for AdSense. You can only have one AdSense account, and doing so here may cause you problems. So you can go through and decide which you want to enable or disable. So at some point, and I don't remember what it is, Google starts allowing you to upload longer and longer videos. You can check all the details over here and upload defaults. You can change them individually if you want. You can monetize with ads and set up where you want those. If you want to add a watermark to the videos, you can do so here. There are a lot of things you can do with your YouTube channel. And there was one other thing I wanted to show you, and that is, so there's free music and sound effects in the library that you can use for any of your videos. Okay, so if you click on the little avatar or whatever this is, and then click on YouTube settings, this will bring you to your YouTube channel. And you can use the same YouTube account and create many channels. So you can create a different channel for each project. You can create a different channel for clients, and then this whole channel is yours. Do a search on YouTube for how to set up your channel. And that wraps up this tutorial.